everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. It's a really nice day today. I'm going to grab a couple of broccoli so that we can make some soup. Okay, small florets this time. I'll grab this too. Right, just this and maybe one more. Wait, let's find another one. I think. Okay, we can grab this one too. Alright, so I chopped up our broccoli. This is about 4 cups, including the stems. So all chopped up as well. We're also going to use a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of onion, half a cup of celery, and half a cup of carrots. I also have a cup of pre-boiled potatoes and about 4 cloves of garlic minced and 4 cups of vegetable broth. And I have here also lemon. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, and also half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Okay, first up, we're going to saute the garlic, onion, celery, carrots, and the broccoli stems with our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we'll simmer it for about 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we'll saute for until the broccoli stems are soft. And now we're just going to add salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so now we can add the potatoes. And also the broth. And we'll simmer this for 25 minutes on medium heat. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, and what I'll do is I'll steam the broccoli florets on top of this while we finish the 25 minutes simmering of this broth. So I'll just place this on top so that the steam will cook our florets for about we'll steam that for about 5 minutes. Okay, so our 5 minutes steaming of the florets is done. I'll just set this aside, and looks like our broth is also done. So we'll just combine this and the florets and our remaining ingredients in the blender. And that's it. We're done with our broccoli soup. Before I blended, I added the mustard, lemon juice, and the apple cider vinegar. So this is it. You can now serve and enjoy. Hope you guys like this recipe, and you should try it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.